Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you a simple but super effective method for forwarding restricted messages on Telegram, even if you've run into that frustrating block in some channels. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to access, save, and share text or media from restricted Telegram messages using a straightforward workaround. So let's dive right in and take back a bit of control over your messaging. If you've tried to screenshot or copy message text from a restricted Telegram channel on your mobile device, you've probably discovered that the app just won't let you. Telegram's iOS and Android apps have built-in restrictions. When a channel or group has this setting turned on, it blocks you from taking screenshots or even copying text directly. But here's a secret. These blocks mostly apply to the mobile apps, not the web version of Telegram. That means you can often bypass these limitations by simply using Telegram in your browser on a desktop or laptop. Let's get started. First, open up your preferred web browser, Chrome, Firefox, Edge, Safari, whichever you like. Head over to WebTelegram.org. If this is your first time using Telegram Web, you'll log in with your phone number and then confirm with a code sent to your Telegram app. Don't worry, this is completely secure and official, and it takes just a moment. Once you're logged in, you'll see a familiar interface similar to the mobile app. On the left are your chats and channels. Now navigate to the restricted channel that has the message or media you want to forward. Sometimes Telegram will show a little lock or warning, but on web, it doesn't actually enforce screenshot or copy restrictions at the operating system level. So you're free to access the content you need. Let's say you want to grab an image or a video. Most computers come with a built-in screenshot tool. On Windows, you can use the snipping tool or simply press the print screen key. On Mac, press Command plus Shift plus 4, then drag to select the area you want to capture. Don't worry if you're new to screenshots, just experiment with these shortcuts until you find what works. Once you've got the screenshot, you can paste it into an email, upload it elsewhere, or save it for later. And here's a little bonus. Sometimes you can just right-click directly on the photo in Telegram Web and select Save Image As. That option works for many images, especially if the sender allows downloads. For text messages, it's even easier. Use your mouse to highlight the exact part you want to copy. It's just like copying from a website or Word document. Then use Ctrl+C on Windows or Linux, or CMD+C on Mac to copy the text. After that, you're free to paste it wherever you like, in a chat, a document, or an email. If you're dealing with a long message thread, you can even copy multiple messages at once and compile them all in one place. Just remember, these techniques are meant for circumstances where you genuinely need to keep or share important information. Respect privacy and channel rules wherever possible. And a quick heads up, restricted channels may update their security, so this method works best as of now in 2025. There you go, no more being stuck by Telegram's mobile restrictions. If you found this video useful, please give it a thumbs up, and let me know if you have any questions or other Telegram tips in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials, and I'll see you next time.